Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making red lobster cheddar bay biscuits, but better. To begin, in a large mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then give that a whisk. Once the ingredients have been incorporated, transfer into a food processor. Then add in 1 stick of cold butter. Cut the butter into small cubes about half an inch thick. Now pulse for a few seconds. And after pulsing for a few seconds, ensure that you don't have any lumps and the flour mixture and the butter have been evenly incorporated. Then transfer the whole thing back into the same mixing bowl. Add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Give that a quick mix to combine. Then add in 1 cup of cold buttermilk. Go ahead and mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 230 degrees Celsius. Then, using an ice cream scoop, transfer onto a tray lined with parchment paper or a baking mat. If you like your biscuits small, do 1 scoop per biscuit, but I like them big, therefore I am doing 2 scoops per biscuit. Now bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until fluffy and golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your red lobster cheddar bay biscuits will look like this. Combine half a stick of melted butter with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of parsley, then mix to combine. Now brush them with the garlic butter just like so. They are best when they are still warm. Yo, check them out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, red lobster cheddar bay biscuits, but better. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.